Hey, crypto crew. Welcome to the Leap Podcast, your regular crypto news update from Leap Digital Investments. It's Wednesday, October 15th, 2025, and I'm Patrick Penn, your crypto specialist. The market's grappling with fresh tariff jitters and post-crash blues, with Bitcoin dipping to $112,955, minus 2.36% in 24 hours. Ethereum to $4,119, minus 3.44%, and Solana to $200, minus 3.9%. But beneath the red, infrastructure rotation is heating up. Smart money's fleeing meme coins for survival plays, and BNB's snagging Solana's share. Let's dive into today's top stories, keeping it simple and clear. Let's leap in. The crypto market's still reeling from that 19 billion liquidation tsunami sparked by Trump's 100% China tariff bombshell, the biggest unwind in history that crashed 1.6 million traders. Loss aversion's the name of the game now, with protocols hyping no liquidation survival tales, but whales are betting big on downside. BTC shorts ballooning from 163 million to 390 million US dollars during the bounce, even as retail chases recovery. Total market caps at 3.72 trillion, down 1.2% in 24 hours. But the Fear and Greed Index at 28, fear, is flashing opportunity amid the shakeout. Bitcoin still has a strong institutional narrative, with BlackRock's CEO Larry Fink calling BTC an alternative asset like gold on CBS, while Binance is guiding sovereign nations on BTC reserves. Bolivia just became the first South American country to announce a strategic BTC reserve, and the US government stash hit 327,000 Bitcoin from recent seizures. That's 37 billion US dollars. Ethereum is weathering ETF outflows, minus 370 million on October 13th after a hot streak, but exchange supplies at 9-year lows as institutions hoard. Bhutan's shifting in national digital IDs to Ethereum mainnet, the first nation on a public blockchain. Solana has hit its ETF approval odds near 100% with the October 10 to 16 deadline looming. JP Morgan projects 1.5 billion inflows in year one. But competitive heat's rising. 30% of Sol outflows fleeing to the BNB chain, and meme coin activities migrating platforms amid the 19 billion shakeout. BNB just hit a new all-time high at $1,375, and now it's edged past USDT to become the third largest crypto by market cap. BNB is capturing 30% of Solana's outflows in the blockchain wars, plus institutional treasury firms forming left and right. This pullback, just healthy consolidation after the parabolic tear. Outlook's positive. BNB, the infrastructure winner, stealing the meme coin thunder right now. The 19 billion liquidation wasn't a category killer. It was a platform shuffle. Meme coins shifted from Solana to BNB, proving speculative fires alive but picky. Bitcoin treasury stocks tanked hard, but underlying BTC holdings swelled. A classic disconnect where equity wrappers capitulate, but the underlying asset itself gets scooped. Institutions are buying fear. Governments stacking reserves, but whale shorts warn of volatility spikes. BTC dominance at 61% screams safety first. And with tariff fears fading, Q4's shakeout feels final. Overall sentiment? Mixed short-term, bullish long. Fundamentals like adoption and upgrades are armor plating this rebound. Look, fear's forging diamonds here. Bitcoin at $112,955 with sovereign reserve tailwinds is a no-brainer accumulation zone. Governments and BlackRock aren't blinking. Ethereum at $4,119 holds the DeFi gold status, eyeing a $5,000 price target. Solana's holding at $200, but the ETF momentum and institutional capital flowing in, it's still got serious upside. And BNB at $1,217, it's the meta shift play, devouring Solana's scraps en route to fresh highs. Whales may short, but smart money's rotating in. This cycle's reloading smarter, not harder. That's your crypto news for October 15, 2025. Check the description on Spotify or YouTube for more info. From liquidation migrations to reserve revolutions, the meta's evolving. Big players steadily building positions. It might be time to start exploring the next wave of crypto infrastructure. Stay curious, keep smiling, and let's leap into the rotation. Thanks for coming to work today and joining the Leap podcast.